Hello everyone, this is your tutor AB. Today we're going to be solving a question from the November 2020 IB Chemistry examinations. This is an SL multiple choice question from paper 1A of the exam. It's worth 1 mark. Let's get started. Which combination will give you the enthalpy change for the hydrogenation of ethene to ethane, which is denoted by delta H3 right there. So this arrow right here. So to solve this question, we need to understand Hess's law. Now, what does Hess's law tell us? The summation of enthalpy change from going from this point to this point is the same as me taking a longer route, for example, like that. I'm going to the exact same point again. So I can say that H3, the enthalpy change H3 is actually also equal to the summation of enthalpy change H2, H1 and H4 when considering their relative directions. And what do I mean by their relative directions? Well, I know that H3 is going from the left to the right. So the opposite route must be going in the opposite direction, right? So it must be going from right to left. So I need to convert each of these arrows to be going from right to left. It must look like a path, a proper path. What do I mean by this? Well, let's go step by step. Let's look at H2. I want to go from right to left because I'm taking an opposite path. So I need to change this arrow's direction to this way. So how do I do that? Well, I just multiply this H2 into -1. So this will simply become, right, negative H1 will now be going this way. It's the opposite direction. Now, I'm now going from left to right, but keep in mind, I'm now down. Look at the direction. It's like a path, it's a circular path. So this is still correct. H1 is still fine. I don't need to do any conversion because the arrow points in the right direction. But then if you look at H4, we need to go towards C2H6. This is going away from C2H6. The arrow should be this way. So I will multiply H4 into -1. Now if I sum up the new direction for H2, H1 and H4, when considering their signs, I get that negative H2 plus H1 plus negative H4 is equal to H3, meaning the direction H3, the root H3 is also equal to the root H2, negative H2 plus positive H1 minus H4. If I sum up the enthalpy change of this left side, I'll get the enthalpy change of this right side because of Hess's law. And so the answer is A. Please do like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, comment down below and I'll get to it as soon as possible. Thank you for watching.